Hi friends, today I am showing refraction by using a glass of water. Here there is no refraction because there is no water in the glass. Now I will add water in the glass. Now the pencils invert because there is refraction. Due to refraction, arrows change direction. Due to refraction, 108 inverts into 801. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. This is normal water and this is salt water. In normal water, density is less, so lemon sinks inside. Whereas in salt water, density is high, so lemon floats. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Today we are doing a natural indicator experiment using turmeric. This is water. This is lemon juice, this is detergent powder and this is turmeric. Now I am going to mix turmeric in water. Now I am mixing detergent powder to this solution. By mixing turmeric solution with a base like detergent powder, we'll get red color. Now, to get the yellow color back, we need to add acid solution which is lemon juice. Now I am mixing lemon juice. Now we turn from red color to yellow color. If you like this experiment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.